Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix disconnected from AnyDesk network error. First of all, what you have to do is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in add or remove programs. Hit enter. It will open settings app. From here what you have to do is search for AnyDesk and uninstall AnyDesk from your PC. So I have already uninstalled. As you can see, there's no application named AnyDesk because I have uninstalled. Close the settings. Press Windows plus R key on your keyboard to open the run. Type in %app data %. Hit enter. It will open your file explorer. Here you have to find the AnyDesk folder, and all you have to do is click on delete button to delete the AnyDesk folder. Once deleted, now go to the AnyDesk website again and download and install AnyDesk from scratch on your PC once again. And hopefully your problem will be fixed after that. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.